Actually, I was kind of shocked when I heard, you know, hello? Yeah. Oo, nagulat ako that the suggestion even came from her. Pero, I don't know, parang na-manifest siguro. Diba? Kasi, yeah, parang nag-align, oo, binigay ng universe. Dumating yung offer ni Direk Brillante, and of course, another film yan, sa bucket list namin. And then the opportunity also to work with Arvia, na sinubaybayan ko talaga yung Sen. Yeah. Oh, I was so engaged with your character and your performance. But anyway, yes, it's something different, something alam mo, sa edad namin, naghahanap kami ng mga roles, mga characters that will stretch our limits, no? Iba naman. And we've been through life, so may baon kaming lalim, may baon na kaming experience. Sana madala namin yun sa mga papel na ginagawa ko.
Gender and love. Yun muna po yung una. What sort of takeaway the audience will, bring with them about gender and love?
Actually, marami kasi aspeto yung film na tinakil, no? It might be makikita natin from the LGBTQ community, meron kasi silang take doon sa film na parang very positive, no? At the same time, yung mga elderly din natin, maganda rin yung kanilang take because prior to this press con, we had a private screening with different organizations, mga LGBTQ community sa Pilipinas, mga Alzheimer's group, mga psychologist, mga doktor, and so far, lahat sila very positive ang kanilang mga comments about the film, especially yung sa mga elderly, yung the narrative stuff, no? Yung parang how the young people should take care of the elders, yung ating kultura na pagmamahal sa ating mga lolo at lola, diba? And then at the same time, the LGBTQ community was portrayed in a way na very positive. Kasi pag sinasabi natin LGBTQ or mga ganyang kwento, palaging na-associate siya sa diba? Sa controversy, or parang mga kwento na medyo, alam mo yun, either sexual or whatever. Ito kasi hindi siya ganun. Hindi ganun yung portrayal natin, kundi in a very enlightening, very positive yung relationship. Kasi relationship can be love can be can be portrayed in a very positive way na hindi lang yung ganun, hindi lang siya about sex, about things like that. So maraming depende sa committee. But I'm sure sa mga committee, meron silang makikita in a way, something that would parang mag-reflect mag-aali kanilang buhay dun sa napanood.
Ano naman po masasabi nila Miss Sharon, Miss Barbie, at Miss Boots about it? Yung take-away po kaya ng audience?
Ako bilang isang manonood na pinanood ko yung pelikula, din-touch ko yung sarili ko na isa ako sa pumanap sa mga karakter. Pero ang takeaway ko, yung great love mo, hindi mo ever makakalimutan. Mananatili siya sa puso mo habang buhay. At kahit na may dumating na pagsubok, diba yung loss of memory, ganyan, kahit sa isang segundo, naniniwala ako na mabigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng Panginoong Diyos na may maalala ang magbabalik sa iyo ay isang talagang great love. So, nakakaiba.
Yes.
Ayun. Romantic and
Thank you.
Sige po, ako naman siguro I will answer from my character's point of view, Angel, who is a 16-year-old girl na siguro ang takeaway ko dun sa character na yun ay dahil galing mo siya sa isang pamilya na ewan ko, hindi siya pinapansin. Na, so, from there, nakulangan siya sa pagmamahal, galing sa pamilya niya. And so, she went and searched for the true meaning of love kasi hindi niya yung nakukuha sa loob ng bahay niya. And so, nung nakita niya na may great love palang tinatawag, she hurriedly participated in that just to make it come true and make it come back. So para sa akin siguro, to our young generation, sana po tayo, or to the parents also, sana po huwag tayong magkulang sa pagkalinga at pagbibigay ng pagmamahal sa ating mga anak at sa mga bata para hindi nila hanapin sa iba. Let's start with ourselves to give love and let them experience love in its truest form.
Pa rin dati sa pagdidirect, yung found footage, pa rin po ba yan? Hindi pa rin po ba yan? Thank you.
Found story.
Found story.
Hindi naman talaga completely. Kasi pag in-apply ko yung found story dito sa iba kasi yung talagang totoong found story, no? Ang found story kasi is like a docudrama. Okay, parang you're filming a documentary, but at the same time, there's narrative in it. Diba? Parang gano'n. I cannot do that, apply completely dito kasi kailangan bigyan natin ng dito, importance yung mga characters. Kasi bakit ba kumuha yung characters? Diba? Tsaka ng Barbie, tsaka ng Boots. So, pwede naman palang ordinaryong tao lang yun, di ba? So iba yung approach. Pero, again, the idea of not providing them the script is part of the found story principle. Sorry.
Thank you.
Conceptualize the movie. Did you really have an LGBT angle, or did you consider the role of Concha or Catherine as a male character also? So it was really
Talagang talaga sila, female talaga, LGBT, lesbian.
Kumusta naman yung casting? When you were writing the story, did you already have Tita Pools or
Yes.
Charo and Barbie in mind?
Yeah, like what I said kanina, parang sila na, parang sinusulat ko na sa kanila. Kasi even prior to me, to the writing of the story, meron na akong sa communications. Kasi remember, kinuha mo yung number niya sa akin, Julian. So sabi ko, yun yung nag-spark na, teka, yun. And then nag-uusap kami ni Ma'am Charo, nag-uusap din kami ni Coco about Ma'am Charo. Kasi sabi niya, hindi mo tinawagan si Ma'am Charo. Ano yung project kami?
So, susugat ko lang yun. Our early communications with Director Viate was not related to the role. He didn't even tell me that he was conceptualizing the film, etc. I contacted him because I nominated Julie Ann Santos for the council idea. And very stringent po ang requirements sa mga candidates mo. So I thought it was right to nominate Julie Ann for that, not only for her excellence in her craft, for the recognition she has derived in her craft, but also because of how other, her ancillary advocacies like cooking, working in the kitchen, working with the family. So I didn't know how to get in touch with Julie Ann. So, tinawagan ko si Direk at nung nakontak ko na and I was developing the nomination first. Hilingan ko si Direk namin para testimonial. That was where we started from.
Really memorable project for me because kasama ko sila eh. Kasama ko sila. Yeah. Hindi ko na let's say, bitin nga eh. Ang sinabing last shooting day na, sabi ko, Mama, naman. Kasi maarap-arap pa lang eh. Diba yung rapport, getting to know each other better, lalo na Barbie na ngayon na kasama. Tapos, birthday niya. Yeah. So, direct. Pagkakay sa tiyan. With Coco naman yan. With Coco.
Be forever significant for me dahil this movie specifically reminded me that I should not take my grandparents for granted. Kasi, I mean, let's face it, they will not be here for a long time na rin naman. So, napaalala sa akin ng pelikulang ito na puntahan ang mga lolo at lola ko, ang aking nanay nursing dahil syempre, nung bata pa ako, syempre sila yung talagang tutok sa akin at giliw na giliw sila sa akin. And so, significant ito for me kasi darating din naman ang araw na magiging lola din ako. At syempre, ayoko rin makalimutan ako ng mga anak ko, ng lola ko, kaya lagi kong ipapapanood sa kanila to. Tignan niyo. Oh. Diba? Ang maglola, si Concha at si Angel, diba? Laging magkasama. So, yun po.
Sheer enjoyment of working with Direct and the co-stars. Alam niyo, for all the intensity, the seriousness of the material, napakagaan po ng aming mga shooting days. Tawanan galore, TikTok galore. parang hindi ganun kaseryoso yung tema ng pelikula. And I think it had to do with the way Direct conducted the shooting schedules. That's one. And then, on a very personal level, parang while doing this film, studying the material and finishing it, parang na-realize ko how much there is what we call gender bias sa ating society. Na kahit na meron na pong openness about same-gender relationships, hindi po nawawala po sa yung label. Nandun pa rin yung label. I'll be very transparent. Nung nalaman ng some others na gagawin namin ni Chari yung pelikula nito, ang agad-agad tinanong sa akin, ano yan, meron ba kayong laplapan dyan? Ay, grabe. Hindi ko nga ho alam ibig sabihin ng laplapan. Hindi ko paki-spell. And so naisip ko, when that question was thrown, ang naisip agad nung nagtanong doon, may sex scenes, meron periods, no, even that come into code sa mga eksena uncalled for, yun agad ang naisip nila. But, again, in answer to Jenny, pag napanood po ninyo itong pelikula nito, parang ang iiral po sa puso at damdamin ninyo, yung pagmamahal pa lang, at talagang it will last through pain and challenges and suffering, at hindi mawawala. It just happens to be love between two people of the same gender. Pero all the characteristics of love, talagang, lutang na lutang po dito sa pelikula nito.